let's talk about the sound from the speakers. This part really impressed me. For a budget headset, it really sounded like something on the mid-range level or the high end, depending on how you want to go. Very clear, crisp sound, even at high volumes, a very rich bass that has a bit of an echo if you really increase the volume, but that is just me nitpicking right now. It has a very clear sound. Object positioning is amazing, better than I expected, very precise in my opinion. For a headset this price range, it was amazing, very good.